At Country Clipper, we know pride isn't given, it's earned. Introducing the XLT Residential Series Zero-Turn Mower. Engineered for the heavy-duty residential user looking for maximum dependability, superior cut quality, and unmatched comfort. Starting with unrivaled weight and balance, the XLT series is designed around a 5-gallon fuel tank mounted under the operator to deliver an ultra-low center of gravity for enhanced traction and hillside performance. Built on top of a one-piece fully welded tubular frame, the XLT is equipped with Country Clipper's exclusive contour deck tracking system, featuring a fully articulating front axle and deck suspension design that tracks to the contour of your yard, yielding a comfortable ride and ultra-precise cutting experience. Available in 48, 52, and 60-inch cutting widths, XLT decks are constructed from fully welded, reinforced 12-gauge steel with integrated stand-up deck functionality for routine maintenance made easy. With engine options including a 24-horsepower Kawasaki and 26-horsepower Kohler, the XLT series is propelled by twin Hydro Gear ZT 3100 transmissions. 8-mile-per-hour ground speeds promote optimum productivity, with cutting capabilities upwards of 4 acres per hour. Meticulously designed with operator comfort in mind, Country Clipper's XLT features an adjustable premium high-back seat, over-padded armrest, ergonomically positioned operator controls, and an integrated cup holder and storage tray accommodate maximum convenience for an unmatched operator experience. Available in joystick or twin-stick steering control, Country Clipper's XLT Residential Series is engineered for those who take pride in a job well done.